अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, रमज़ान की बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको। रमज़ान एक ऐसी नेमत अल्लाह ने हमें दी है जिससे हम अल्लाह के बहुत ही नज़दीक होते हैं। हमें रमज़ान में 3 चीज़ें करना बहुत ही पसंद है, इबादत करना, रोज़ा रखना और खाना, विच इज़ नॉट बैड, बट हमें इतना ही खाना चाहिए जिससे हमें बर्ब्स ना आए, डाइजेशन की इशू ना हो, फ्लेक्स ना आए, नमाज पढ़ने में तकलीफ ना हो। तो नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी व्हाट इज़ द करेक्ट वे ऑफ eating and during a Ramadan. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you a Ramzan diet. If you're new here, my name is Sakil and I'm from Tone Garage Body Transformation. We bring you best tips and solution for your fitness, motivation, diet and workout. So, ladies and gentlemen, we divided this workout into 2 parts. First is a diet and second is a workout. So first, we're going to talk about diet. So let's start. We almost fast for 12 hours. It's very difficult if you're looking for a gaining of your muscles, or if you're looking of building a lean muscle mass. See, I would not disappoint you, but it's very true. You just need to maintain yourself during this Ramadan period, because almost up 12 hours you're not going to eat. So I have designed your diet based on not only a saving your muscle, you can build also muscle, but you need to be very particular about your food pattern, whatever I'm going to express. So first, in this diet I have mentioned is a iftar. We're going to talk about iftar. On iftar, we're going to break the fast from the dates. We'll add one and a half cup of fruits. We're going to take a glass of water along with the salt, honey and a lemon. This will help you to balance your electrolyte. If you have access to whey protein, you can take 2 scoops of whey protein. It will help you to absorb to your body very faster. All for iftar. Now we're going to pray for a Maghrib namaz. After Maghrib namaz, we'll come back and we'll start with a meal 2. Meal 2 is very simple, but it's a large meal, guys. So we're going to eat simple carbohydrate. We're going to take a cup of white rice along with 200 gram of chicken or fish, along with a 1 cucumber. That's it, guys. Guys, we're done with the meal number 2nd. So meal 3rd, before that, we're going to start with the workout. So for the pre-workout, we'll take 1 banana. We'll work out for 45 minutes or half an hour. Because of the quarantine, you can use this home workouts. Take 2 scoops of whey protein post-workout along with the BCAA. It will help you in recovery. It will help you in less fatigue and less soreness. And or else if you want during your workout also you can take the BCAA. Now we're going to add meal number 3. So with the workout, we'll come back home. After that, you're going for Isha namaz. Again, you will pray for Tarabi, and after that you come back. See, this meal is very confusing. See, if you have a time between your Isha namaz and Tarabi, and if you wanted to eat your meal 3rd before that namaz, you can have it, or else after coming from the Tarabi, you can eat this meal 3rd. Meal 3rd is 200 gram of protein. You can take chicken, fish or red meat, anything you wanted to add. Along with the simple carbohydrate, you can add, if you wanted to add chapati also you can add, or else simple carbohydrate, you can take white rice also. Along with that, I want you to add a cup of yogurt, fat-free. That will be very good for your probiotic. Meal 4th going to be before your bed. Between your meal 3 and your sehri, you can add 1 more meal. That can be 200 gram of red meat along with little bit cucumber. That's more than enough. So meal 5th is very important, guys. We're going to add complex carbohydrate and casein protein. These 2 things are very important because this is going to release slow glucose to your body and going to slow release protein in your body. So these are the list of the complex carbohydrate, and this is the list of the casein protein. We're going to take 1 cup of rice, that is brown rice, 200 grams of protein. You can add casein protein, that's a lean protein, chicken or else paneer you can add. 1 cup of vegetable along with a 1 teaspoon of almond butter or a peanut butter. Glass of water along with the lemon, salt, water and little bit sugar. This will help you to balance your electrolyte whole day. So that's all for the sehri, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so that you never miss an update. Till the time, see you. Yes, wish you a very happy Ramadan.